Both houses of parliament stand adjourned, Sanada. It's the end of the monsoon session, but not without some fireworks on the last day as well. And this time we witnessed it in Rajya Sabha between Jaya Bachchan, Member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha from the Samajwadi Party, and the Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Many would argue that this was building, considering the last few days there has been a bit of exchange between the two over Jaya Bachchan's name after Jagdeep Dhankar referred to her as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. Now she objected to Jagdeep Dhankar's tone as well.
आपका टोन जो है,
my tone, my language, my temper, no, enough of it, enough of it. You may be anybody.
Massive showdown in Parliament. A fiery face-off between Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar.
Sir, we are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jayaji,
and I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Honorable members.
This after Jaya Bachchan objected to Jagdeep Dhankar's tone while speaking in Parliament.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting.
Immediately objecting to Jaya's remark, Dhankar fired back.
An actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone?
Soon after the sparring, the opposition staged a walkout. Opposition parties are planning an impeachment motion under Article 67 against the chairperson in Rajya Sabha. They have started a signature campaign.
एलओपी बोलना चाहते थे पर उनको मना किया गया और बार-बार उन्होंने कोशिश की कि बोलने की कि जो सांसद जिस शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है, एक वरिष्ठ नेता 50 साल का उनका तजुर्बा है, अनुभव है, उनके बारे में कुछ बातें कहीं जो बहुत आपत्तिजनक थी, पर खरगे जी को बोलने नहीं दिया। इसलिए आज सारे विपक्ष पार्टियों ने वॉकआउट किया है प्रश्नकाल का।
She has vast experience and she has more parliamentary experience, and I beg to differ from what the Vice President said. She comes with vast more experience than the Vice President himself. With all
has come here as elected MP for 4 times.
Union Minister JP Nadda came to Dhankar's defense.
आज जो घटना घटी है और जिस तरीके से विपक्ष का व्यवहार रहा है, वो बहुत ही असंसदीय, अमर्यादित और अनुशासनहीनता व्यवहार रहा है और मर्यादा विहीन व्यवहार उनकी आदत सी हो गई है।
This is not the first time Jaya Bachchan has taken on the Rajya Sabha chairman. The MP was upset when she was introduced as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan in the House recently.
सर, सिर्फ जया बच्चन बोलते तो काफी हो जाता।
यहाँ पूरा नाम लिखा था इसलिए मैंने रिपीट किया।
ये जो है कुछ नया तरीका निकला है कि महिलाएं जो है अपने पति के नाम से जानी जाएंगी।
Bureau Report, India Today.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat.
So it was after this exchange that we saw also opposition MP staging a walkout from the Rajya Sabha. And since then, there have also been allegations by the opposition against Jagdeep Dhankar, accusing him of being disrespectful towards women.